Welcome back to my channel. So today we're making beef stew with vegetables. I have all my vegetables in this bowl. I've got cabbage, got red onions, got carrots, red cabbage, bell peppers, I've got 2 hot peppers. I have garlic and ginger somewhere in the bowl as well. 4 cans of tomatoes. I have curry powder, cumin powder, I have cloves, I have my seasoning cube, I have my thyme, and I have baby. And we have in here our beef as well in the pot. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my onions and garlic and ginger to blend for the two. Okay, so I'll prep onion, ginger, garlic for the beef is done, and I'll prep for our stew base as well. It's also done. You know, we've got our pepper, garlic, ginger, and we have half red onion, and I've got some more onions that I'll slice later. Okay, so I'm just going to wash this, and then I'm going to use my mini chopper to blend it for me. And I'm going to use some cloves just to give it some lovely flavor. Smells wonderful. The clove really does give it a really lovely smell. So this is how it looks like when I blended it onto beef. We're adding in aromatic blend. I'm gonna go 1, 3. So our beef has been cooking for 25 to 30 minutes, and as you can see, we didn't put any water in it at the beginning. All the water and liquid in there is from the beef, so it's released its own juice. And now this is cooked, so I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna fry my beef on a medium heat. One, because I don't want it to burn, and second, because I don't want the oil to start splattering against me. Okay, so our beef is all cooked. Just going to take out the oil. Okay, so now we're just going to go in with our onions. And we're starting on a medium heat. Going in with our blended garlic, ginger, and onion. Aromas right here. I'm going to add in some thyme and some bay leaves, and it's all to just give it flavor. I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of cumin powder. I've also added in a teaspoon of curry powder. Okay, so we're just going to let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat, because we don't want to burn Okay, so I've added in my chopped tomatoes. Now I'm just stirring all of that together. And that it smells so wonderful. Now I'm just going to cover it and let it cook, and I'll check on it in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm checking on this after 10 minutes. As you can see, our oil is beginning to form on top. I'm just going to go in with the beef stock from earlier. We Remember, you can always add more seasoning and salt, but you can never really take it away. So okay, so I'm just going to cover it and I'll check on it again in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for further 15 minutes. I'm just going to stir our stew. Right, now at this stage, I'm just going to add in my beef. But I mean, as you can see, the oil is on top, so our stew is cooked really. I just want to give it time for it to reduce. Okay, so I've added in my veg. I've added in my cabbage, my carrots, and I've stirred it all together. Now I'm just going to give this 5 minutes for it to just cook down on a medium heat. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes now.